Thank you so much for tuning in to this another edition of our toy review. This time we feature the G1 Bumblebee. Okay, so once again, I would like to acknowledge my brother here, si Mr. Matanglawin, Kuya Kim, for lending us this wonderful piece of art that he has bought for only a cheap price of 80 pesos. Let's start with the highlights of this toy. Of course, unlike yung mga previously released na classic Bumblebee, this one has retained its original form, which is a German car, Beetle, or otherwise known as the Volkswagen or People's Car. As a G1 toy, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung gulong niya is Goma. Somehow I would want to remind you that originally this is a keychain. Kung mapapansin niyo yung parang bilog dito, ito yung lagay ng parang chain niya, unfortunately for this toy here, hindi siya masyadong maraming metal parts, unlike ng mga G1 na Optimus Prime, G1 na Ratchet, Ironhide, and Jazz. Ito minimal, napaka-minimal ng metal parts nito. Mags, itong likod. Yun lang yung dito. Yun lang yung mga metal parts niya. Unfortunately, yung Autobot sign, hindi siya yung hologram na pag nirarab mo, lalabas yung Autobot sign niya. Ito talaga typically sticker siya. And like what I have mentioned with the toy review I have done with Wind Charger, G1 toys are commendable when it comes to its transformation wise. Somehow Hasbro has maintained to maintain the accuracy of the Transformer characters when it comes to yung pagta-transform nila from vehicle mode to robot. And as we all know from the cartoon series, you have to pull the legs here. Yan. Then bend this. Especially kung ikaw ay 80s child, alam mo pa paano i-transform tong laruan na to Kahit walang instruction, alam mo pa paano siya i-transform. So you have to remove this part here. Yan. And of course, yung head. Now, you might be surprised with the head here. Bakit ganito yung mukha ni Bumblebee? Hindi ito yung Bumblebee na nasa cartoons, but rather, ito yung mukha ni Goldbug. Si Goldbug nag-appear yan, if I'm not mistaken, sa late part ng third season ng Transformers G1. Actually, siya yung modified version ni Bumblebee. But this remains a mystery with the Transformer toys Bumblebee, kasi instead na mukha mismo ni Bumblebee yung nandito, mukha ni Goldbug ang makikita natin. And for those of you who are curious enough, if you could have a cliff jumper toy, yun yung red version ni Bumblebee. Yung mukha niya doon, yung mukha ni Cliff Jumper, yun ang talagang mukha ni Bumblebee. But somehow, as you would notice, there are no points of articulation. And yeah, maliit siya. Maliit ang scale niya kumpara sa mga typical na G1 toys. So this concludes our toy review for tonight. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in and for patronizing videos. You have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.